Good morning, all students. In today's lecture, we will discuss exercise 11.2, question number 5th. Except question number 5th, you are having any problem? No? Oh, now, next we will discuss construction of triangle. In construction of triangle, we already discussed two cases. First case, when a base angle and some of its other two sides are given to you. Second condition is that a base angle and the difference of their two sides is given to you. Now we will discuss the case third. Case third is to construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angle. Question is here, construct a triangle who are having problem? Why your voice come? किसको problem है student से? Construct a triangle x y z in which angle y is equals to 30 degree, angle z is equals to 90 degree, and xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 11 centimeter. So students, here that rule is follow or not? Two base angles is given to you and sum of all three sides are given to you, and in sum of all three sides, meaning is that perimeter is given to you, then how we will construct a triangle? So first we will follow step first. In step first, what we will do here, we will draw a line segment. Draw a line segment PQ इक्वल 11 सेंटीमीटर. जो आपको इसका टोटल में सम गिवन है, दैट PQ इज इक्वल टू 11 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज XY plus YZ plus ZX. So first of all, we will draw a line segment PQ is equals to 11 centimeter. After that, in step second, at P construct an angle of 30 degree and at Q construct an angle of 90 degree. So step second, at P construct an angle of 30 degree. So we will construct an angle of 30 degree at P. 60 degree, bisector of 60 degree, that is angle 30 degree. So that is represented by L here. And same at Q, make 90 डिग्री. Q पे क्या करना आपको 90 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म करना है, एंड ऑल यू नो हाउ वी विल फॉर्म 90 डिग्री एंगल. वन टाइम 60 डिग्री, another time 120 degree, 60 and 120 bisector, we find out the 90 degree angle. QM. After in step third, we will draw the angle bisector of these angles. we will draw the angle bisector of these angles. Which angles? This first angle is that one and second. जो आपने P पे एंगल फॉर्म किया है उस एंगल का भी क्या करना है आपको बाइसेक्ट करना है. जो आपने Q पे फॉर्म किया है उस एंगल का भी क्या करना है आपको बाइसेक्ट करना है. सो स्टेप थर्ड, bisects angle LPQ and angle MQP which intersects at point X. So next step, we will draw the bisector of angle LPQ and angle MQP. Now draw the bisector of angle LPQ. One time open, put your stationary lead point that one, then cut an arc. Second time here, then we will join. Draw the angle bisector, then we will join. That is point X. So the point X, student, how we will obtain point X is the intersection point of angle bisector of both the angles. In step fourth, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PX and XQ. So in step fourth, draw the perpendicular bisector of PX and XQ. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PX and XQ. And how we will draw the perpendicular bisector? Open your compass more than half and cut an arc up and down. So at point P, up, down. At point X, up and down. Then draw. Same here, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of QX also. Draw the perpendicular bisector of QX also. In step fifth, फोर्थ में क्या था? ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ PX and XQ. In step 5, these perpendicular bisector intersects PQ at point Y and Z. At which point? Y and Z. So that is the point Y and that point is the Z. And step 6, in step 6, now join point X to Y and X to Z. So triangle XYZ is a required triangle. So we will join X to Y and second is X to Z. X to Y ज्वाइन करवा लिया और आपने किसको ज्वाइन करवाया? X to, सॉरी हियर, that point is Z. That angle 90 degree and that angle is the 30 degree. So again I repeat, first of all आपको क्या करना है? Given parameter you will draw a line segment. Given parameter का क्या करना है? आपको एक line segment draw करना है. After drawing at its corners, base angle are given to you. Then according to the given base angle, you construct both the base angle at its extreme point. After drawing the base angle, we will draw the angle bisector of each given angle. Now we will find out the point at which both angles are intersecting to each other, that is the point X. After that, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PX, which intersect the PQ at point Y, and perpendicular bisector of XQ, which intersect the PQ at point Z. Now join X to Y and X to Z. That is the required triangle XYZ. Understand? Note down. Note करो students. We will discuss one more questions. Completed? Okay. Now we will discuss 11.2 example number first. देखो 11.2 example number first. Yes. सीबीएसई से तो हटा है, बट नॉलेज के लिए तो रिक्वायरमेंट है ना. हायर क्लासेस में अगर इस टाइप का कंस्ट्रक्शन आता है, अगर आपने इसमें 9th में स्टडी नहीं किया तो फिर वहां पे टीचर डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे ना. ओके. नाउ विल डिस्कस एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट. रीड एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 11.2. construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is given to you 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree, and AB plus BC plus AC is given to you 11 centimeter. Angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree, and AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 11 centimeter. Then how we will construct? So in step first or first procedure क्या होगा? Firstly we will draw a line segment whose length is 11 centimeter. So we will draw a line segment PQ is equals to 11 centimeter. At point P we construct an angle of 60 degree. P पे आपको 60 degree angle construct करना है, 60 degree, that is PX. At point Q angle is 45 degree, 60, 120, 90 bisector, that is 45Y. Now after that we will draw here the angle bisector of both the given angle. Angle bisector first, that is second angle bisector. Now that point is the point A. Up to here, any problem? After in next step, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AP as well as AQ. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AP, then perpendicular bisector of AQ, which intersects at point B and at point C. Now we will join point A to B and point A to C, that is point B. So that angle is 60 degree and that angle is 45 degree. That is the required diagram. So in summarized way, first of all, given according to the given measurement के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करोगे, एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करोगे. आफ्टर दैट इट्स टू बेस एंगल्स आर गिवन टू यू. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू विल ड्रॉ द बेस एंगल. After that you will construct the bisector of each and every angle. Now the bisector of each and every angle meeting at point, a single point, that is the given name. After that we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the bisector of angle. जो आपने angle bisector किया है उन line segments का क्या करना है, perpendicular bisector करना है. These perpendicular bisectors are intersect the base at different points. At different points पे क्या करेंगे, intersect करेंगे. Then we will obtain that one. Understand? So students, that is the all about the chapter 11. After that I think one chapter is left, that is chapter 9. Chapter 9 is completed or not? Yes, sir. Completed? I think one chapter is left, chapter 9, and remaining all chapters completed. Yes, sir. Okay. So chapter 9 we will discuss in next lecture. In today lecture now we will discuss of your chapter 10, chapter 14 and 15, because this chapter will come in your PT exam. And for PT exam you will do preparation of MCQ type question, one word type questions, fill in the blank questions. So now in today lecture of remaining part we will discuss the some basic questions of your chapter 10 circles. Okay, so we will discuss some questions of chapter 10